students, in today's presentation we are going to discuss the transformation of sentences. Transformation is the conversion of a sentence from one grammatical form to another without altering its meaning and sense. Today particularly, we are going to transform the sentences containing the adverb to with them. We can change the form of a sentence containing the adverb to by substituting it with the words so and that. For example, the box is too heavy to be lifted. If we have to transform this sentence by replacing the word to with the word so, it will be the box is so heavy that it cannot be lifted. So is to be followed by the word that, and we have to use can from our side. Let us go through the rules how the word to is changed to the word so that. The words to and to are replaced by the words so and that when transforming the sentences. Rule number 2 says, if the sentence containing the words to and to is a positive sentence, it changes to a negative sentence when transformed and the word cannot is used, as it was discussed in the previous slide. Third rule is, if the sentence containing the words to and to is a negative sentence, it changes to a positive sentence when transformed and the word cannot is replaced by the word can. Now look at this example carefully. He is too stupid not to make a mistake. Now this to and to sentence is a negative sentence. So according to the rule, when we are changing it by replacing the words so and that, it will change into a positive sentence. He is so stupid that he can make a mistake. Keep in mind that the word can and could is used with the word so depending upon the tense used in the main clause. Here are two examples given with both the tenses present and the past. First is, he is too young to be a pilot. He is so young that he cannot be a pilot. Cannot is used because in the sentence it is written he is too young. So is to be followed by the word cannot, present with present. Second example is, he was too young to be a pilot. Now here it is in the past tense, he was too young. So the transformation will be, he was so young that he could not be a pilot. Was with could, is with can. So here is an assignment with 5 sentences given to you. Kindly go through the sentences and try to transform them by replacing the words so that or to and to accordingly as it is given. Thank you, and I hope this presentation will benefit you in transforming the sentences. Thank you.